Hi there, this is Silas at Sheds by Design. We're going to take a quick walkthrough tour here of a 10 by 20 lofted barn with some workshop upgrades. This has got a silver metal roof, white trim, red siding. This is a 50-year LP Smart siding and trim product. 50-year warranty. Termites won't eat it. It's rot resistant. Single access door on this side. Vented gables. Double access doors. When these are both open, it's 69 inches left to right clearance. 2x6 floor joists. 3/4 inch floor sheathing product on top of that. Partition wall. So you got this section here, so you can put large items. You got your double doors, window for light, and then this section here, you've got a workbench, pegboard, 4x10 storage loft, single access door, and a window. Work on small projects, overhead storage space. Buy outright, finance, or rent to own with one payment down.